Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Boxycharm and Ipsy. If you are new to the channel, we do Boxycharm and Ipsy. Check if they are cruelty free in their contents that are in there, and at the end of the video we do a recap. So Boxycharm, Ipsy is $10 a month, Boxycharm $21. So I will link them down below if you are new and wanting to know any more. I am a robot. So Boxycharm and Ipsy will be linked down below if you need any more information on them. So today I'm going to start with Boxycharm. I feel like we haven't started with them in a long time. So let's go ahead and do that. We have the card in here. We look at this as we go along. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it and we will pull out what we need to look at. So some of the products will say on the product itself whether or not it's cruelty free, and that kind of saves us. But this is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And they look really pretty. The box is pretty. So we can look them up. I like that they're like has their website and everything on it, so that would be really nice. The way that I look stuff up and how I look stuff up is with, I have links down below and you can see those too. So this is, so yeah, we have a glitter eyeliner from John Teble. I'm not sure how to say that. I feel like I'm just butchering it, so that's that. We won't swatch that until we know that it's cruelty free or not. We have some Luxie brushes. We know what Luxie is. And let's go ahead and touch one of the handles because they seem like they're glittery. I got one of the ones from SM Miss Glam, and the handle itself is kind of, yep, these are textured. They're nice though, but they're Luxie brushes, so you know about those. We have Luxie brushes. Luxie is cruelty free. And then we have this Ace Ultimate Shimmer Shades 4 Bold Mattes new Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. Ooh, it's pretty. Very warm tone colors. So that's pretty. Not sure about this brand. Ooh, this brand is cruelty free. So that is a bonus for us. For an update, if anybody would like to know about cruelty free status, is that CoverGirl is now cruelty free. So that is wonderful for CoverGirl, and wonderful news for the cruelty free community, because it's for affordable brands and drugstore brands. It's really hit and miss with drugstores. So, and when it comes to cruelty free. So Cover FX glitter drops. So we got a full size of this in here, and the product, this is a retail price of $44. So that is amazing. I believe Cover FX, if I can remember right, for in the past it is cruelty free. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this anyway because I believe that it is. Ooh, that's pretty, people. Gold. This looks like so perfect for Christmas time right now. Oh my gosh, the glitter just came out. I patted it with a makeup sponge. It's almost like that lipstick that if you rub your hands together, your lips together. Okay, that's really pretty. Cover FX drops. So let's set all this Boxycharm stuff aside so we can do our research on it at the end. So the next thing we have is Ipsy. Mine has a warning. It says keep away from direct sunlight. Right there. This bag is cute. Blue bag with black hearts. That's super pretty. So the first thing we have in here is a blush, and this one says cruelty free and vegan. From Lottie London. This box seems extremely empty. Oh, it's a sample size blush. What it looks like from Lottie London. So this says cruelty free here on the back, and it is vegan. So I probably might save that for somebody special. And the next thing I have in here is from Ciate. It's like a powder. It's translucent powder from Ciate. It's really tiny, so if this is for your face, like that is so tiny. Look at it, it's in my hand. So cute and so tiny. So the next thing I have is a eye shader brush from Boxycharm. It's like a little tiny flat little brush. It's really soft. And then it looks like the next thing I have is Orbre Dry Texturizing Spray. I don't know very much about Orbre, and I'm not sure if I need a texturizing spray. Smells like hairspray. Sprays out like a freaking beast. And then we have a MAC strobe cream. So MAC is not cruelty free. We will just kind of set him aside and just say sayonara to him. But we got a really cute bag to add to our bag collection. And then we just have this card that just says cashback. Pretty much tells you about Ipsy, which you already know because you already ordered it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and be right back with all the products that are cruelty free. Last time, if I can remember right, we had a whole thing of everything that was cruelty free, and that was a bonus. One of the times before, I'm not sure if it was the last time, or anyways, one of the times we had a whole thing that was cruelty free. So alright, for the recap, so the things that I know that are cruelty free, Luxie is cruelty free from the beginning, like that I've already knew that I didn't have to look up. This palette from Ace Beauty is cruelty free. This Lottie London blush is cruelty free. This MAC product is not cruelty free. And with this Jaunte Bleu, I think it's Jaunte Bleu. I'm gonna say it like that. Sorry if I'm wrong. I don't know any information on this. I contacted the company. If I do find any information on it, I will link it down below. But so far, I'm not sure about this. So both these products will be sitting aside until further notice. But except for the MAC one, he's gotta go bye-bye. Ciate is cruelty-free. This Lashaholic is cruelty-free and sells vegan products as well. This brush is cruelty-free. And Cover Effects is also cruelty-free. So the Orbre is cruelty-free, although the parent company does test on animals, so depending on what your status is in cruelty-free world, you may or may not want to try this. I kind of do want to try it, so I might not like it because sometimes when I put like texturizing sprays or dry shampoos in my hair, I just feel like I have to wash my hair. So I may end up not liking that in the long run. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, there will be links down below for most of the questions that will be asked. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.